I'll just stay in the car, just.
Okay.
Unexpected closure. I don't get why I didn't stay down at Lisbon. Could have been triple stay. It should be the one. Do you think it should be the South Island train coming back from
Belfast?
from Belfast Line, you place it down Conley? Do you think?
I'll say.
Yeah, I think it should be the South Island again, or I guess it could be the Enterprise probably. Shouldn't it be Enterprise? Do you think?
Enterprise, I think. Well, it could be that one heading back to the south.
Yeah. South of Ireland. I always make up very silly stuff, don't I? Silly. Do we still do this one on the way back, or do we just jump in as the last one?
We can do this on the way back.
So, yeah, so it should be the same South Island train that's coming back from Lanyon Place to Dublin Conley.
Mm-hmm. Whatever you say, boy.
Could be right or wrong.
There's a wee man's crash helmet and all.
And nope. 6 Harger. Whatever that DMU was, but it was an express.
Sixer? Oh.
Yeah, but it was an express. Or whatever.